So do you know how to solve this maths problem? So I will show you the shortest time possible on how to work it out. So let's now start with the solution. So now we have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a is equals to 500. So the first thing that we need to do is to factorize 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a. So that one now will be 5 to the power of a into bracket 1 add to 1 is equals to 500. So now we shall now work out the number that is inside the bracket. So 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 500. So now we shall divide both sides by 2, here also by 2. So 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So now we shall now have 5 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 500, we shall now have 250. So still we have not found the value for a. So let's now introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 250. So assuming that we have the log of k maybe to the power of p, so this one now can be written as p, the log of k. So now we shall now change our 5 to the power of a to be a log 5. So now we shall now have a, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 250. So divide both sides by the log of 5 so that we can remain with a. So we shall now have a is equals to the log of 250 all over the log of 5. Then now from here now, we shall now do what is called factorization. So a is equals to, so the log of 250 can be written as the log of 50 multiplied by 5. So 50 multiplied by 5. Then all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by the log of b, this one can be log a, then plus the log of b. So meaning that a shall be written as the log of 50, then plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 5. So we shall now have divide by the log of 5. So next now I shall say that a is equals to log 50 can be written as the log of 10 multiplied by 5. So 10 multiplied by 5, then into bracket plus the log of 5, then all over our log of 5. So all over the log of 5. So next we shall say that, a is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 10 plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 5 here, then plus also the log of 5. So we can now extend this to that point. So now a is equals to, so log 10 can be written as the log of 2 multiplied by 5, then shall now have into bracket, then plus the log of 5 there, then also plus the log of 5, then this one now shall all over the log of 5. So we shall now say that we shall now have to divide each one by the log of 5. So a is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 2, then all over the log of 5, then plus here the log of 5, also all over the log of 5, then here now plus log 5 all over the log of 5, then we shall still have the last one, that is log 5 all over the log of 5. So from here now we can have to do is we simplify the ones that can be simplified very fast. So here now we shall say a is equals to, so log 2 all over the log of 5, then plus, so log 5 and log 5 cancels, we shall now have 1, plus log 5 and log 5 cancels, 1 again, then plus log 5 and log 5 cancels, we shall still have 1 again. So next we shall say that here, so assuming that we have the log of p all over the log of m, so this one can be written as the log of p to the base of m. So similarly here now a shall be written as the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So now these are now qualifies to be our most correct and the best answer. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, remember to subscribe to our channel. So let's now confirm this maths problem. So we shall now have the question that we had is 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a is equals to 500. So instead of writing a, we shall now have it as 5 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 5, then also plus 5 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 5. So we are supposed to add 3, so plus 3, then also this side plus 3 is equals to 500. So we can write it afresh by now having 5 there to the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 3, so plus 3 there. So plus 3, instead of having it as plus 3, we shall write as multiply by 5 again to the power of 3. Then plus, here we shall now have 5 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 5. Then the plus means you multiply by 5 to the power of 3, which is 500. So next now we shall say that, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5. So now we shall remain with the 2, then multiply by 5 to the power of 3, then plus the log to the base of 5 cancel this 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 is equals to 500. So shall say that, so here now shall have 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 is 125, then plus 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 is 125 is equals to 500. So 2 multiplied by 125 is 250 plus 250, which is equals to 500. So this one now shall be 500 is equals to 500. So which means that we have confirmed our answer, and the answer is correct by saying that our value for a is equals to the log of 2 to the base of 5 plus 3. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem and confirmed it, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.